So last time we talked, let me get into the light. We just finished demo. Now, to be honest, a couple days have been a little bit slow. I mentioned that I want to open up this whole wall, and that requires a engineered beam. Now, I was not expecting it to be this big, but it's here. I'm not going to show you how I brought it inside the house. It's 24 feet long. It's massive. It was brutal. Okay, last time we talked, we hung that up, and this time we're doing plumbing, baby. Obviously, I shut off the water. That's your number one thing that you want to do. And I going to start off from my main and then pull all of my 3/4 lines and pretty much all the rough in. I picked up this crimper. We're gonna do PEX plumbing. Right over here, you put in the little crimp ring. Pop! Boom, you have a little crimp. I'm using all brass fittings. This is a 1/2" T fitting. I have 3/4, I have everything. I have shower stuff, shower tees. Water drains from the line. I thought I would actually show what I'm actually thinking. So we have one main source. My main's right over here. I'm planning on running it all the way till I have a bathroom over here and then the boiler over here. And I want to do a T. This is all my cold. Come with a T. This line's gonna go straight to the boiler. Then I'm gonna run the hot water, and then I'm gonna come back with the hot water. And the hot water is gonna be over here. Hot water. Going up, and it's a tight fit. I have to remove all the ducking so I can oh my. Okay, little problem. So I drilled my hole where I should have come out, you know, logically, but I ended up coming out in the corner, and I just think that it's too tight. So I'm gonna cut the drywall over here, and then I'm gonna deal with it, and I'm gonna go up through the ceiling and then come down. I finally got to pull through the lines. That went decently well. Oh boy, I need a... Good morning. I just got to the house. So annoying how in the laundry room the light just decided to go out. But basically, this is where we're at. Yesterday, left off at making and trying to get that through. I did it. Went up, did that, had no choice. Really tightened the ceiling, so I just had to do it from down under. And then the same down here, did this, and then up there. 1/2 inch are gonna come down to here to feed my faucet and my washing machine. Why I decided to change out all the plumbing, it is full of just debris. and this actually just snapped off. That's how worn out this is. I'm not here to teach in no way, shape, or form, but we're gonna go buy a cutter, a PEX cutter. Don't cheap out. This one was free, so I just bit the bullet and dealt with it. But if you're buying one, don't buy a cheap one because your life will be hell. Unbelievably annoying having to recut something 3 times just to make sure it's straight so it fits all the way to the end. Because you want to make sure crimps the most. And imagine having to do that under the house where you have no room. Okay, so plumbing so far went well. I wanna do things a little bit different, and that is I wanna start uploading my videos every other week. It's just too much for me to do this new project, this house. It's gonna be too hectic to do every week. Build the house, deal with the house, and then edit and do that. Definitely realize that my strength is actually just doing my own projects and storytelling. This is different style, just different whole everything. So, thanks for watching this week's episode. Until next time, BeeNeh. Adios. Go.
Come on!